made it, let it bang.
Revlon is spend 15 get 5, and we have a buy one get one free. And it's $14.49. Soft soap is on sale 2 for $7, and you get $3 back. So it's like in 2 for $4 or $2 each, and then you get like I said, 3 back, and you can do this 4 times. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today, but it is a deal for this week. For Rimmel, we have a Rimmel London spend 8 get 3. So I got 2 lipsticks. They're $5.79. So y'all seen me buy this on Black Friday, but they have these on sale for $15 and you get 10 back. So it's the same deal. Basically, you get it for $5. I wanted to get the mirror, but they don't have it. So I'm gonna see if they have it at a different store. Okay, so we have the spend 20 on select household cleaners and stuff. Get 5 back. So I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna get two Clorox. These together, 2 of these, 50% off is $12.44. To continue this deal, I'm gonna get 2 Pine Sols. 2 together, 50% off will be $5.09 for 2. Then the last part of the deal is the Fabuloso. They only have one. It's $2.99. Plus another Pine Sol would be $4.89. And our total should come to like $22. Hey guys, sorry for not making an intro, but I had just came from the AT&T store getting a new phone. So we are now recording on my new phone. If you guys see a difference in quality, let me know. But let me talk you guys through what I just did. So this receipt's like super duper long. First transaction, I did the Rimmel, the Revlon, and the Nivea. The $2 for Nivea came off. The buy one get one free came off, so $14.49 for Revlon. I gave her a $14 extra buck, $10 extra buck, and an $8 extra buck. And I had those extra bucks from previous transactions from previous days. It's hot in here. So the total came to actually $0. So yeah, the total came to $0, so I didn't pay anything. I got a $5 extra buck for the Revlon, $2 extra buck for Nivea, and $3 extra buck for Rimmel. I got a 6 off of 30 and a couple more coupons, a 5 off of 20 Aveeno. Nothing else I really care about. Yeah. So yeah, that was free, and I made $3, $5, $10. So that was cool. And the second transaction, I did the spend 20 get 5. So I did the Fabuloso, the Clorox wipes, and the Pine Sol. $1 off of Clorox came off, 3 off of 10 for cleaning supplies, and then I gave a $2.99 extra bucks, a $2 extra buck, the $4.49 extra buck from Black Friday, and a $5 extra buck. And I only paid $6.95, and I got a $5 extra buck back, so I really only paid $1.95. And then I got some more coupons on my receipt that I don't really care for. So all together, we paid $1.95 for everything and still made $10, which is not bad at all. So I think we did a good job. I really do want to go to another CVS, but I really have to use the bathroom. So what I'm going to do I might come back out later, but I really have to use the bathroom. But for the cash card deals, I feel like they peeped that we were getting a lot of stuff, so they kind of slowed down, and literally none of the detergent aisle is on sale for any type of deal, which is fine. But let me look at my coupons. I'm pretty sure that this week, is this the week of the 7th? Today's the 3rd. 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the week of the 7th. I have all these gain coupons. So I might just, I don't know what to do. Like, but the next insert is supposed to have gain in there, as well as Tide Simply. Like, I have stuff on that too. I'm gonna go to Walgreens and see if they have some type of deal or something, because if not, the coupons will just be wasted. So yeah, if you have extra bucks and you have those Tide gain coupons that you want to get rid of, I would suggest that you do some transactions to build up your extra bucks if you don't have any, and then just use your coupons for your gain and your Tide, whatever you have, and use that for the transaction so that it can end up free. Okay, so I'm in Walgreens and they have the buy one get one $99 for $9.99 on the Venus and Gillette, and we have a digital coupon for $5 off. So if it's calculated right, you can get 2 for the price of 1. Update. So apparently, according to Lisa, you can mix and match. So got the Chic and the Venus. So according to that ad, you know, there's toothpaste and mouthwash deals, but this store's not tagged, so I ain't even going full with it. Okay, so I'm gonna do the Windex deal. 1 for $4.49, buy one get one $50, so it'll be 2 for like $6. Have this dollar off 2, it'll be like 5 something for 2. Alright, so I only got these 4 things in my cart, and I'm gonna use this 25% off $10 purchase and the save $1 on 2 Windex. And I'll let you guys know what happens in the car. Alright, back in the car from Walgreens. I didn't really get much because, like I said, that store wasn't really marked up, so it just turned me off. But I did the 2 Windex, and then the Chic razor gift set, and then the Gillette. Oh. I did the 2 Windex, and I did the 2 razor gift sets. The 25% off of a $10 purchase came off, so it took off $5. The $1 off of the Windex came off, and then the $5 for the razors came off. Total came to $12.29, $13.30 with tax. And I just paid that. I only got 160 everyday points, and then I don't know why it prints out these little things. It gives you like what deals are out or whatever, and my phone keeps on falling. And then I got when you spend $20 or more in the store, you get a $5 reward. So I'll use this the next time I go. But today was a very small couponing trip, simply because the main reason is because, one, Walgreens wasn't marked. I did plan on getting more from Walgreens, but also my phone's just gonna be slanted because I'm tired of it falling. But also because I just left the store before I started couponing today, from getting my new phone, and my apps aren't downloaded yet. They're there and it says waiting, but I need to be on Wi-Fi for my apps to download, so it kind of was hard to see what I have on my accounts because my apps aren't downloaded, and I had to go to the website, and the website was moving slow. It was just a lot. And I'm not at my normal stores either because I'm by the actual AT&T store. So whenever I go back out, I will record that, of course. Sorry for my phone being all lopsided. This phone is a little heavy, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this small little couponing trip. I will see you guys in the next one. All right, y'all, so I am home. This right here is my CVS purchase. Remember, overall I paid $1.95 and I made $10. And then this right here is the Walgreens transaction. I paid, it was $13 and some cents. Got the 2 shaving gift sets and then the 2 Windex.